Listen up. I won't sugarcoat it. This is the longest cold, flu, and allergy season we've ever seen, but we're not alone. We've got Instacart. Sure, you may be a coughing snot faucet who just wants mommy, but you're not giving up! Not when cold medicine, fragrant herbal teas, and honey shaped like bears can be delivered through Instacart in as fast as 30 minutes! Now let's go win the sick playoffs!
Daddy, I just want my soup.
Oh, sorry, Sport. App says it'll be here in a few minutes. Instacart for the win.
It was now or never. Fredia Gibbs wanted to cry, but her uncle told her it was a matter of life or death. With sweat pouring and tears in her eyes, she tried again. This is 2 Minute Black History. What you didn't learn in school. Walking into a championship fight, a man in the stands yelled, "That's the black girl who came here to get knocked out." Fredia Gibbs was often bullied for her athletic frame, as Western beauty standards systemically put girls like Gibbs in a bubble. Luckily for the Pennsylvania native, she had a family who helped build her confidence. Gibbs once said, "My grandmother's words were like magic. God blessed you with that body. You have something special to do with that body." Her grandmother encouraged her to embrace her athletic frame, and after training in martial arts with her uncle, it sparked her promising kickboxing career. In 1994, Gibbs became the first black female kickboxing world champion, proving the hecklers in the stands were wrong. Now, she teaches free self-defense lessons to her community and wants to be a role model for children who also experience bullying. Gibbs was a rare talent in martial arts, but many women deal with the pressure of conforming their physical appearance to Western standards. True liberation and acceptance comes when we realize that all of us are beautiful in our blackness. In order to move towards the future, you've got to look to the past. This has been 2 Minute Black History, the podcast by Push Black. If you enjoyed this episode and want to show your support, please rate and subscribe to our podcast. Together, let's celebrate and honor the legacy of Black history.